Hey besties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. Last week I shared a video of the vlog of the events that we went for, the YouTube for Filmmakers events basically. I have the vlog on my channel day 1 to 3. They're all in one video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys the goodie bag I showed you guys last week. So this is the unboxing video of the goodie bags that we got from that event. So I'm going to show you guys everything that was in that goodie bag. Basically, I'm going to link the full vlog of the event in the description box so that you guys can go check it out. But for now, this is the unboxing video of the goodie bags. Let's get into it. So guys, I'm going to be unboxing the one we got on the first day basically from the YouTube for Filmmakers event itself. And this is what is inside. So this is my tag that I got for the event. We used it for the 3 days. They said we have to bring it for all the 3 days basically, so that we won't be registering and registering every single time, but you still need to register every day. But with the tag, it's going to make it easier. Next up, we have this notepad. Now I've jotted some things in the notepad already. Also in this goodie bag is this black pen. It's a cute pen basically. So the pen and notepad was already on the table when we got there, so that we could jot down anything that we wanted to basically. Next up, we have this box right here, but before that I'm going to show you guys the wristband. This is what the wristband looks like. It has made for you written on it. So you guys remember the made for you program that I graduated from, that I have the vlog of the graduation party on my channel. I'm going to link it as well in the description box so that you guys can check it out. It was a fun event. It was amazing. So you guys can go check out my other vlogs once you're done with this one. And now guys, I'm going to open up this pack, and what we have inside is this black cute water bottle. Guys, it's so cute. I love the fact that this goodie bag is like a black themed goodie bag. So I love how it's rhymes everything basically. Guys, this flask is amazing. Once you put hot water or cold water in it, it's going to stay cold or hot like for hours. You would have whatever you put inside basically. And it has this straw, and where you can suck the water out instead of opening the entire bottle. This is amazing. I love it. I love it so much. So this is basically what was inside this particular goodie bag. Now I'm going to unbox the other one for you guys to see.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it.
Now guys, this goodie bag is the one we got from the Creators Meets Brand event. Like I said in the other video, in the vlog basically, I lost the footage of that event, but this was the goodie bag we got on our seats basically. And the first thing inside this bag is the tag that we got. So this was the tag that we used for that particular event. It's different from the other one. So this one is red and it has a blue lanyard basically. So this was it. So next up, we have this YouTube music notepad. I love how it looks. I love the white basically. It's cute, and it's just beautiful basically. Anything from YouTube is beautiful, but regardless, I love this notepad a lot. Next up, we have this cute white pen. Now you notice this one too is like a white theme. The other one is like a black theme. So this one, I love the fact that I have whites for everything. And then we have this wristband as well, the white version of the other one. It has made for you written on it. And then we have a water bottle as well. So this is what this particular water bottle looks like. It's really cute. Like, it's really cute. I didn't get this particular water bottle last year, but now I have my own. So this is amazing. I love it, guys. I can remember the other water bottle I got from YouTube about 2 years ago. It was so amazing. I have the unboxing video on my channel as well. Guys, this water bottle as well, you can put hot water, cold water, and it's going to stay there for hours, like hours and hours and hours, and it's still going to be hot or cold. Guys, it's amazing. It's so cute. YouTube just knows how to give cute stuff. And this is basically what they look like side by side. This is the black themed one and the white themed one. It's cute, guys. It's so cute. And guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys love it. Like I said again, I'm going to link the links to my playlist for my vlogs and unboxing videos in the description box so that you guys can go check it out. And also the full vlog for this particular event that we attended, I'm going to link it as well. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, share within and outside your circle, comment in the comment section. Let's get to know each other on a different level. And that's it, guys. Until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon, or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.